Hello class 8. Today I am going to explain you the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat from your book Honeydew. Before starting the explanation of the poem, I would like to tell you about the few important points of the poem that will help you to understand the poem in a better way. This poem is beautifully written and rhymically screamed by the famous writer named Mr. T.S. Eliot. He has written the poem in such a rhyming way that it not only makes us feel so curious about the cat but also make us feel to read more poems like this. Mr. T.S. Eliot is a cat lover and he tried to portray his imagination about the mystery cat. This poem is a work of fiction. Fiction means imagination. This is the imagination of the poet that he has written in a form of poem. Initially, the poet has asked some questions like, do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? Now he is asking, do you have a pet cat? If you have, then have you ever find mysterious something about the cat? Mysterious means which is not clear, which is suspicious, unable to see easily. It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one for sure. Now poet is saying that Macavity is a mystery for sure. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? And what was the reason behind that? What makes Macavity a mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. So let's begin the poem. Macavity's a mystery cat is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Now Macavity is called the hidden paw, and what is the reason behind that? Because he is the master criminal who can disobey the law. Defy means disobey. He breaks the rule made by the government or does illegal activities. That's the reason he is known as the master criminal. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the Flying Squid's despair. Now, it has become a trouble for Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard, the complete police force of London, the headquarters of the London police force, and the flying squads here used for police. They all have become very disappointed as they are unable to catch Macavity. It has become a trouble for them. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Whenever police reaches the scene of the crime where the crime took place, that is known as the scene of crime. But they are always unable to find Macavity over there. They are unsuccessful to catch Macavity. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. What is the meaning of gravity? The power of earth to attract the things towards it. That is known as gravity. His parts of levitation would make a fakir stare. Now the poet is trying to differentiate the Macavity from other human laws or other cats. How? He is saying that Macavity is able to break all the human laws. Even he is capable of breaking the law of gravity. How we can break the law of gravity? If we leave something but still it stays in the air and it didn't fall to the earth, then it is breaking the law of gravity. His parts of levitation. Now they have given the clear word levitation. Levitation means floating in the air without support. Have you ever seen a cat like this? No, it cannot. But This is the poet's imagination. So the poet is thinking about the cat which is able to float in the air without support. And he is saying that would make a fakir stare, and fakir is generally used for magician. If a magician would be there, he would also become very surprised to see the macavity. Stare means to gaze, means even a magician would continuously look at the macavity as it is quite different from others. And when you reach the scene of the crime, macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, macavity is not there. Police always goes to the scene of the crime, but they find in the basement, they find in the air, and again they try to find the macavity, but they are unable to catch it, and they are unable to find macavity anywhere. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in, his brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed. Now the poet is describing the physical appearance of macavity. He is saying ginger cat means a cat who has big whiskers, and he is tall, he is thin. Now poet is saying you will come to know about the macavity only when you will saw him. And his eyes are deeply sunken. Sunken in means lying in the bottom of something. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Deeply lined means kept on thinking. He is thinking continuously, because if macavity is a criminal and he had to protect himself from the police, so he must have keep on thinking to protect himself. So the reason deeply lined is this only, that he kept on thinking. His coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed, he sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Now the poet is saying that he kept on thinking that much that it is neglecting if its coat becomes dusty. He is not worried about its coat. His whiskers are uncombed, and he is not bothered about the whiskers as well. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Why? What is the reason to sway its head? As the snake remains very conscious, so it keeps on looking here and there from side to side. So in the same way, macavity is also very conscious, because he didn't want to be catch. So he kept on swaying his head from side to side. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always awake. His coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed, he sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Now the poet has compared the movement of the cat with a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Poet is saying, if a person thinks that macavity is sleeping, then the person is wrong. He always kept wide awake, because he always remains very alert. Macavity, there is no one like macavity, for he is of faint and failing shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then macavity is not there. Now the poet is saying the macavity is different from all other cats, and there is no one like him, 4 has a fiend. Fiend means devil. In feline shape. In feline shape means he is a cat, but inside there is a devil in that cat. A monster of depravity. Depravity means moral corruption. He is a monster of depravity, means he is corrupted. You may meet him in a by street. You may see him in the square. Square here is used for the homes in London or the Scotland. You may find him in the street, in the homes, everywhere. But when a crime is discovered, means whenever there is a crime and it is discovered and police tries to catch the McCavity, it is not there. The police is never able to catch the McCavity, and it is a mysterious cat. Thank you everyone. Hope the concept is clear. Thank you.